Hi, I have created the web application RegApp, and I will explain what it is and how you can use it. Notice that the first time you go to RegApp, it will ask you to choose a language. You will see the flag for the language you chose on the top of the screen. Click that if you want to change the language. This is the front page if you're not logged in. I will click on events to show you how to sign up and later register my show up to an event. On the events list, you have to click on an organization to see the events available. Notice the lock icon on the first one, indicating that you need a sign-up code to get in. This is what you get to see as long as you are not signed up. Notice the URL at the top. This is what is normally shared. As long as the sign-up form is available, you can register for the event. The red show up button indicates that today is a day for the event. So I will demonstrate how that works. I was not logged in, so I have to fill in my mobile number. I have protected my account with a PIN code, so I have to remember that to get in. And because I clicked on the show up button, I get the QR code that I can show the organizer. Below the QR code is a summary of my information and who is joining me today. If this information is correct, I can click wrong. I can click on the sign up form and correct it. For now, I'll just go back to the event page. Notice that because this is a protected event, I can see other participants. Notice also that the sign up is still available, not highlighted anymore, but available. So you can make corrections, maybe register more participants joining you. Notice the button on the top right. You can click here to find out who is the organizer and if there are other events. So let's go to Sammen Sommer. RegApp was made to manage the sign up and show up for Sammen Sommer. Last year we had about 1,000 that signed up and about 600 that showed up. So we wanted to manage this and improve the communication with our participants. Changing language was one of the most important features. You just use the flag on the top to change the language to a language that you understand. Of course, the title of the event and the name of the organizer is not translated. I used the menu for the organizer and clicked on a forum. You will first get to the About tab, explaining what this forum is about and where you find the sign up. This is where you find the sign up button. I have clicked on the Discuss tab to show you that RegApp does automatic translations to your preferred language. You can toggle between show translations and show original. You can write your own post in your preferred language. Notice that you can expand the window to write more. Very simple formatting options explained above the text area. And finally, try the download PDF and you will get the entire conversation in one document. Here's the PDF. Remember, this was written in Norwegian, but it has been translated. Some languages does not support PDF, so I have removed the download button. But most languages do, so let's try German. And you get it all in German. Going back to the front page, you will see all organizations that you have signed up to. And I've signed up to all of them. Click on the name to see what you have signed up for. Notice the join button. Let's try that. This is the join page. Choose an organization. Notice that you can even join an organization so that they can invite you to other activities. Just the organization, not an event. The whole purpose of this web application was to manage the registration. So let's have a look at the organizer menu. The organizer can log in on the front page, and you will get to the dashboard and see the icon to get back to the dashboard anytime. You may manage more than one organization. The edit icon is to change the organization info. The 3 dots is used to create new activities and to check how many SMS messages you have used. The organization will get a bill for every SMS used, so it is nice to have good control of the expenses. The users button will list all users that have registered to the activity. And at the bottom, there is a send message. This will open up a form where you can add a list of users to invite and the message you want to send. You can search and filter the list and send a message to selected users. Notice that the users have different language preferences, so your message will be translated automatically. Below the message is a check translation button. This will give you a dialog window where you can choose a language and see the translation. Back to the dashboard. The edit button is to fill out the details of the event. Notice that you may choose to write the description in your preferred language, but on the event page, everything will be translated to the user's preferred language. I will not explain every option here. There is even more. If you click on transportation or show preferences, more fields will show up. For some events, you may allow users to sign up with their mobile only. This makes it very easy to get back into the registration form and click on the Show Up button. But some may not like this, so I will explain what they can do. Next to the flag icon is a user icon on every page. Click on this to create or change your PIN code. Back in the dashboard again. Events have days and activities that you set up with a schedule button. Add days and activities if you want. Now use the registrations link to see who has signed up. You can search and filter and even edit some of the fields as an organizer. Let's go to the statistics page for this event. Or not. I chose another event that has some more data. You can see statistics for the day you choose, age distribution, country of origin, and below that, transportation for the selected day. To the right, you will get the free text preferences that users entered. Now, some words about check-in. This is for the organizer. Invited managers, they can click to scan the QR code. And this is me. I have clicked on the red Show Up button and I'm showing my QR code. The moment I move it into the frame, I'll get registered. We may register by mobile number, or we may list all and search by name. So the organizer will get this check-in page. Notice that you may show up even if you did not sign up for that day. And the organizer can add new participants before the check-in is confirmed. Then back to the menu, to register the event, the next one. You have to be invited as a manager to help with the registration process. Send an email and they will get an invite code. That has to be used within 7 days. After this, they can help with the event. So it's important to be able to communicate with the managers. And on this page, you can send messages not to the participants of the event, but to the managers only. And that's how RegApp is working, or some parts. There is more, and more will come. Go to regapp.no, and you will find some links at the bottom of the page. If you want to use this system for your own activities, click at the icon at the bottom right. If you're a user that have registered for an activity and have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.